Ensure that the compressor is shut down in accordance with the safety procedure before performing this procedure. Remove control air hoses. Remove the 4 hex bolts and take out the valve. Check the O-ring and spring for any damage. Dismount the valve. If necessary, perform an overhaul of the valve. Use seal kit NT0384. Check your specific instruction manual for correct seal kit, because the seal kit NT number may vary. Remove the O-rings from the piston. Lubricate the O-rings and fit them onto the piston. Refit the centre screw with washer in the piston and the internal washer and nut. Fit the outer O-ring onto the piston. Fit the new spring. Replace the gasket onto the piston housing. Fit the new outer spring and piston. Remount the valve. Refit the control air hoses.